Hello students, here is Ashu Gupta, Assistant Professor. Again welcomes you all on the behalf of the Indraprasth Law College. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the very important topic, namely Gaon Fund and the Consolidated Gaon Fund, which is enumerated into the UP Revenue Code 2006 under section 68 or 69. So these provisions are basically most important in terms of your examination and also to get the awareness of your legal development, which is known as the Gaon Fund or the Consolidated Gaon Fund. If we talk about this topic, that is Gaon Fund, given under section 68 in the UP Revenue Code 2006, and according to which all sums received under this code by a Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat or Bhumi Prabandhak Samiti shall be credited to Gaon Fund, provided that the amount of damages or compensation recovered under section 67 shall be credited to the Consolidated Gaon Fund. We will discuss later on about the Consolidated Gaon Fund, which is covered under section 69 of this code also. But firstly, we have to know about the Gaon Fund, what is the basic condition given under this section 68 according to the UP Revenue Code 2006, and which is very popular in the villages, or already if you have a village or you belong to the village, that is the basic concepts which is surrounded there on the daily basis or the daily life in your living system also. So provided that the amount of damages or compensation recovered under section 67 shall be credited to the Consolidated Gaon Fund, and the Gaon Fund constituted under the enactments repealed by this code and subsisting immediately before the commencement of such code shall be deemed to have been constituted under this section, or the Gaon Fund shall be operated in such manner and shall be applied for such purposes as may be prescribed by the provisions of the various provisions of the of this UP Revenue Code 2006 or the state government also. Now, if we are discussing about the Consolidated Gaon Fund, then it is a provision which is given under section 69 of this UP Revenue Code also. According to that section, there shall be established for each district a Consolidated Gaon Fund to which the following amounts shall be credited, namely, number 1, the amount referred to in the proviso of subsection of 68, which is discussed already, and the second number is all contributions received by the collector under subsection 2 of this Consolidated Gaon Fund and enumerated into section 69 also, and such other amounts may be prescribed by the state government or this code also. And according to the subsection 2 of the section 69 says that every Gram Panchayat in a district shall pay to the collector annually such percentage not exceeding 25% as the state government may from time to time notify of the total amount credited to the Gaon Fund under section 67 in the prescribed manner. The consolidated Gaon fund shall be operated by the collector and may be applied for some purposes such as the payment of fees and allowances, if any, of the lawyers appointed under section 72, the payment of expenses incurred in connection with the conduct and prosecution of suits, applications or other proceedings by or against the Gram Panchayat or the Bhumi Prabandhak Samiti under this code. The payment of expenses incurred on the development of lands of common utility and payment of any other sum which the state government may by general or special order declare to be an appropriate charge of such fund. The consolidated Gaon funds constituted under any of the enactments repealed by this code and subsisting immediately before its commencement shall be deemed to have been constituted under this section, and the state government may by notification in the Gazette direct that a consolidated Gaon fund shall be established, also for each tehsil for the purpose and in the manner prescribed. So these are the basic provisions and given the direction in regard to the Gaon Sabha or the consolidated Gaon fund. In reference to the section 68 or 69, enumerated it into UP Revenue Code 2006. And section 70 also describes the orders and the directions of the state government or the collector regarding these all the arrangements which is discussed later on in the next lecture. Hope you will understand this concept and enumerated it into your study. We will meet soon again in the next lecture. Thank you very much.